Hi everyone, I am Partha Pratim Karan and welcome to Product Management Consulting Platform. Today we are going to discuss about various product pricing model and how those are well designed. We will be looking into multiple product pricing model like per user pricing, tiered user pricing, per storage pricing, feature based pricing, pay as you go, roll your own, freemium model, flat rate pricing or subscription based model, free along with ad supported model, and pay per active user. These are multiple product pricing category, and apart from that multiple also other categories are available, but today we are going to talk about these many pricing model and how those are designed in a well manner. You can see these are the multiple product companies. I took all these companies for explaining each one of product pricing category. Now we will start with the pricing model per user pricing. This is one of the common SaaS pricing model where you pay different amount depends on how many people are using that particular product or services. It's similar to the model used by many companies for software licensing. Here you can see Salesforce, they have multiple different category product and they also using per user pricing model over here. Tiered user pricing, where the number of permitted user increase in bands rather than in single digits. A SaaS product might be one price for up to 5 users. For up to 10 users, the price would be another, and so on. Here you can see Confluence, their pricing for 10 user is 1, and if you increase the users, number of user in bands, the pricing would be different, and so on likewise. Per storage pricing. Many cloud storage companies are offering this pricing model based on the amount of storage people need. If you consider Google, it will allow you till 15 GB free at the initial stage, and once you cross the limit, you have to pay the extra amount. Likewise, Dropbox also allow you to access the free storage limit, and once you exceed that limit, you have to pay for the extra. Likewise, these companies are let you know how they are providing the services and encourage you to upgrade once you hit the limit. In this example, you can see how Dropbox are designed their pricing model over here. Feature-based pricing. This is another common SaaS pricing model is to differentiate prices in tiers based on the services or set of features. Same time, multiple upgrades category also available to the customers. You can see over here the company named PandaDoc. They have various pricing for various set of features or services. They are also using that feature-based pricing. Pay as you go. This pricing model charges customer based on their uses of product or services. You can see Amazon AWS cloud service using the same pricing model. You can see over here how the pricing is designed for AWS and the detailed split up of the pricing. Roll your own. This is another way to allow your customer is to let them customize the product or service by their own, which let them pick the add-ons what really they are looking for. Survey says this kind of pricing model mostly encourage the small businesses and it works for them very well. You can see over here the company intercom allow you to customize the product or you can choose multiple features or services and combine as a complete package by your own. Now we will talking about the freemium model. This is the another approach to provide awesome functionality product for free, then have a wide range of upgrade versions. If you consider LinkedIn with a free version you can get a lot. Same time there are several upgrade version or upgrade package also available for the specific need like for job seekers, recruiter, business owners, salesperson. So these are not comes under freemium model, these are comes under premium model. You can see over here that teamwork project it also have the freemium model, same time it also have the upgrade version with the premium model. Flat rate pricing or subscription based model. Here, while moving from the freemium version, some company charges as per flat rate pricing or subscription based model for all their upgraded services or version with no further price differentiation. You can see over here the company buffer they come up with awesome plan and they also using that flat rate pricing or subscription based model for their pricing. Free ad supported model. Another pricing model is to make your core product free but earn revenue from giving access to your audience with ads for related product and deal in the customer dashboard. As an example, Wix. This company successfully implemented that freemium ad supported model. While you enrolled into that platform, you are automatically enrolled into the freemium model. Same time, you can also upgrade your version into the premium model. Then all the automated ad will get revoked and you also unlocked with lot of additional features too. You can see over here how its pricing plan are designed in a very proper manner. The details are available over here. Pay per active user is the pricing model based on the number of active user in an organization. Most of the people are well known about the company Slack. Slack introduces a free plan along with few tiers. But the unusual feature is what? While company commits to a tier, Slack will refund them if they have fewer users than they committed or thought. You can see over here how the prices are designed for Slack. Slack also using pay per active user pricing model. Rest what? Apart from all the pricing model, you have found many other companies also using mix and match pricing according to their audience. We are almost done for today, and thank you so much everyone for being with me till right now. And please feel free to write me your queries, your suggestion over the comment section. And if you like, you can subscribe the channel so you don't miss the upcoming all the product sessions. Thank you. Bye bye.